Salvia rosmarinus, commonly known as rosemary, is a shrub with fragrant, evergreen, needle-like leaves and white, pink, purple, or blue flowers, native to the Mediterranean region. Until 2017, it was known by the scientific name Rosmarinus officinalis, now a synonym. Is rosemary toxic to humans? Rosemary oil can be toxic if ingested and should never be taken orally. What are the side effects of rosemary? Side effects of rosemary include: ingestion of large amounts can result in stomach and intestinal irritation and kidney damage. Seizures. Toxicity. Coma. Vomiting. Excess fluid in the lungs, pulmonary edema. Encourages menstrual bleeding. May cause miscarriage. How do you use dried rosemary? How do I use rosemary? Add dried rosemary to hearty soups, sauces, and stews, or sprinkle it on anything you plan to roast. Fresh rosemary is terrific sprinkled over pasta or pizza. Rosemary has a pretty intense flavor, so you don't need to use much. Can rosemary be eaten raw? When taken by mouth, rosemary is commonly consumed in foods. Rosemary leaf is possibly safe for most people when taken as a medicine for up to 4 weeks. But taking undiluted rosemary oil or very large amounts of rosemary leaf is likely unsafe. Does rosemary raise blood pressure? The results have shown consistency with a previous rosemary oil massage study which found that rosemary oil increased blood pressure and respiratory rates.